My name is Sarah, and I'm from Fireplace Village, New England's largest hearth retailer. I'm here to talk to you about wood-burning fireplaces. Wood-burning fireplaces are a lot different than your regular masonry fireplaces. They actually take the place of them if you do not have it in your home. The different manufacturers that we carry are Napoleon, Heat and Glow, and Majestic products. Wood-burning fireplaces come in many different sizes, and they are vented just like any other wood unit straight through your roof, but the framing for them would be similar to what a gas unit would be. To see these and other hearth products, visit one of our 5 different New Hampshire locations or online at fireplacevillage.net. Fireplace Village is the largest hearth retailer in New England.